everyone, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make die-cut Kawaii Valentine's Day stickers using your Cricut. I'm going to gather my images from Creative Fabrica. I do have the paid subscription, so I'm not under any restrictions or limits for the month. I also do have the paid subscription, the monthly subscription for Cricut Design Space. I just want to be transparent with that before I get started. So you want to head over to Creative Fabrica. You want to type in Kawaii Valentine's Day stickers and see what type of images pop up. You want to scroll down until you find something that catches your eye. I like these right here, so I'm going to click those. Once you click on them, you see this green button right here. You want to click download because you need to download the images to your computer. Once it's downloaded, you need to open the file. You need to make sure that they're extracted. Sometimes they come in a zip file just like this, and you would need to click on it, open it, and extract it, but they already do that for us. So right here is all of our images. Now we don't need Creative Fabrica for anything else. Now you want to open your Cricut Design Space. You want to click New Project, the green button that's in the upper right-hand corner. You want to click on Stickers and Labels. You want to click on Custom and Create. Oops, I have to do it again. Okay, now here is your canvas that you want to place your stickers on. This white area is where you want all your stickers to be. You don't want to get them too close, and you don't want them overlapping into the gray area. But first, we need to now upload our images into Cricut Design Space. They're already on your computer, but we need to get them into Design Space. So you need to go right here, click Upload, Upload Image, Browse. That's not the images. And then you want to click on an image. You want to click Continue. You want to click Apply and Continue. Since we're doing stickers, we don't want multiple layers. We don't want a silhouette image. We want a flat graphic. We want to click Continue. You can rename your images to anything you want. I will put Halo Angel Baby. And then you want to click Upload. With Cricut Design Space, you have to upload one image at a time, which can be time consuming. I wish they would make it so that we can upload a complete file or more than one image, but for right now, we can only do one at a time. So you want to go and repeat uploading your images. You want to click Browse again, get your next image, open, continue. This looks great. You want to click Apply and Continue. You want a flat graphic again. You can rename it if you want. I'll just put heart, upload. And now you just want to keep repeating this over and over again until you have all of the images that you want to use for your stickers. Okay, now that we have 6 or 7 images right here, we want to now resize them. The easiest way is to highlight the whole thing, go by the corner. If you go by the bottom or the side and you try to make it smaller or bigger, you can distort your images. So the best way is to go from the corner and just size it down. Or if you want to size them up, go that way. Just size them down. I think a good size for stickers is 3 inches or less, unless you're making a special type of sticker. Now you just want to move your images around, make sure they fit. You don't want them too close to the edges, and you also don't want to be in the gray area like this. If you do that, your Cricut, it cannot see this, so it's only going to cut here. This pot will not be cut, so your sticker, it will be unusable. So you want to make sure you just we'll have to move them again later, but you just want to move them around so you get a feel for how many stickers that you can fit on this one sheet. Now this one sheet right here, it tells you the size. 8 by 5 by 11. That's your everyday standard paper or photo paper size. So we're going to continue to just move these around, resize them if they're too big. Okay, so that one, make this one a little smaller. Put it right here. This one, I'll make a little smaller. This one will move here. And now to get them to fit, you can move these stickers any which way you want to tilt them, turn them. Once you go near the edge, do you see how the two pointed arrows start showing up? That means you can move it from the corner right here. So you can move it this way. You don't want your stickers too close because your Cricut will could cut into them and ruin them both. You just want to resize. I think I can turn this one. Make more space on the bottom. That one looks good. This one. Go here. Pull this one over here. Now we might not be able to fit all of our stickers, but that's okay. So this one, since this one doesn't fit, I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to hit delete right on my keyboard. Okay. Now you need to go to each individual sticker, click on it, and you click edit at the top of your screen. Edit right here. You want to click sticker. You want to click die cut. Now you see when you add die cut, it added another layer right here. If you want to remove that, the border, you just click this off, which I think I'm going to. I'm also going to click off the easy peel edge right here. Actually, we'll leave it. We'll leave that. Okay, so we'll go to our next sticker, die cut. We'll click the border off. We'll leave this on. And you just want to repeat that same action for all your stickers. Click off border. You're done with that one. Then just keep repeating. Die cut, border, off. Click this one, die cut, click the border off. Same with this one, die cut, click the border off. And if you're right here, you're basically you're more than halfway done. So now you want to click on the top right corner where it says make and the green button up there. You want to click on that. You want to save your project. We'll save it as Kawaii Valentine's Day stickers. Now, if you save them, this will always be in your Cricut design space. So if you ever want to make the stickers again, you can even edit them later and do something else. But for now, with our sticker sheet, we're going to save it to our Cricut and we're just going to hit save. It takes a moment to save. Okay. And now once you get here, if it looks like this, you can click on each one. This means that it's going to cut out each sticker individually. Instead of a sticker sheet where they're kiss cut, these will be 6 individual stickers. So you want to make sure that this is all, you want to have keep layout on. You don't change anything with this. And then you just want to click continue. And then that brings you to this screen. Okay, so now that we've gotten this far, we need to send our images to our printer. So you want to click send to printer. This pop-up shows you that center marks are added. What that means is, see these little black angles in the corner? That is the guide where your Cricut is going to scan your photo paper before it starts cutting. So you just want to click next. I have 2 printers, so I need to switch my printer to my Epson 2800. I'm going to click Add Bleed Off, and then I'm going to click Print. Okay, and here you just want to click Done. Okay, and this popped up because my Cricut is actually not plugged in, so I'm going to go do that right now. Okay, I just plugged it in, so I'm going to try to connect it. Okay, we want to click Continue. Now on this section, I'm going to click, depending on if you use your Cricut or not, you might not have these same options right here. So you might have to go to Browse and scroll down until you find it. But I'm going to pick this one, Printable Waterproof Sticker Set Transparent. We want to put more for the pressure. Before you put your stickers on the mat, what we want to do is put a laminate sheet on top of our photo paper to make our stickers waterproof and scratch resistant. What I'm doing is I'm peeling off the top section right here. Oops, it's a little tricky. And that gives you a little, you can't really see it, but it's a little edge to line up on your sticker sheet. So what I'm doing is I'm going to my black corners and just lining it up there. And now I have a squeegee that I'm just gonna make sure that there's no bubbles, no skips, no bumps. So you just do that, and I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm just going to cut right here. So you just wanna cut along that line. Make sure not to cut off your black guide for your Cricut, the corners. So I'm just going to trim that right here. And now I have to peel back the rest of it right here. So you want to peel it off slowly, a little bit, just like that. And then you just want to, little by little, and use your squeegee to keep hitting it slowly so that you don't have any skips, bumps, creases, wrinkles, anything like that. So you just do this. Okay. And then now you need your, oops, I have to cut that off. Okay. Now you need your Cricut mat. You need your Cricut mat. So you get your mat, you line it up in the corner. You see right there. You need your squeegee again, just to make sure that it's really on your mat. You don't want it moving while your Cricut is cutting, because it could jam up your Cricut and it's going to ruin what you printed in your photo paper. I try not to waste too much material. Okay, so that's all set. You want to do that, and then you want to press the blinking arrows right here. Set, you'll see that this looks like a play button, triangle. You just want to click that. Okay, now that we have our sticker sheet cut, we want to click this to release it. Okay, so you will see that I did end up changing my mat. I reprinted my stickers and I cut them again with my Cricut because my green mat was way too sticky and it was tearing my sheet. So you'll just peel them off like this. And then do you see the white border? See that heart right there with the white around it? It's not really a border. That is the easy peel option that we left on in our Cricut settings before we cut. So you just want to keep peeling them off like that. You can bend your mat a little bit, not too much, so that they lift off the edge perfectly. So if you've made it this far, you've completed your sticker set. And thank you for watching my very first video. Please like, share, and subscribe because I'll be posting a lot more videos in the future.